is 6 minutes. Alright. You remember this, ain't it? Sonic Boom. Sonic Boom. Sonic Boom. We're in its new challenge. Okay then. Let's all do this. Now you can see better. I know. Second. That's my. Ah, come on, you give me the hits. Sure, you can. I want Ryu has his older voice. That's my thing. Sonic Boom is coming in every 4 days. Aw, man. Oh, yeah. Die. Gonna be my clip. Yay. Let's check. That's back. You remember that? Let's check if they did. Oh, that was easy. Swift is on. Sonic, so you can. And boom. Here's the hero niece. Don't you think it looks awesome? That's coming soon for you guys. Okay, if you guys want to see this.
Player 1 wins. Nice fight. Nice fight.
Nice one. Hashtag nice one. Yeah. Okay. Here's the Ken's one. You see? Ken's one. He has. Bison and Fingon. It's This is actually my favorite. It's just my favorite. They're just stinking together. Only in Survivor you can hear it louder. Remember this? I just beamed this someone like that. That's all you can. And then, boom. And boom. It's light blue or green. And listen, you can hear it. Hear this. Whoops. Oh. Here. Nothing. Nice one. Come on, focus. You must defeat my Shinglong to Saint's hands. Hong Kongy. Darth Markson. Okay, let's just move on to ST. You guys want ST? This is what I'm talking about. This is my favorite one also, which Akuma appears. So I'm sorry, I do not want to show you Akuma. It's the hardest trick. So let's do on Chun-Li without the light blue geek. Let's just deal with them. Freaking white normal one. Ow. I'm not good at Chun-Li, you know, but I were good in stepping. Nope. Okay then. Okay. Okay, we still have more time. So we going Alpha, yay! Alpha, Alpha, Alpha. The anime Alpha. Sambudak. Shadow. Sonic Boom. Sonic Boom. Nash is there. Whatever, I don't want to say Charlie. I'm just gonna call him Nash. Alpha. We're playing handheld mode. I know. Better one. Air. Oh my god, this is Ghost Game. You know Akuma's one? The same one. So you need to do this one over and over so you can see it. Let's try. You guys want to know? Yesterday. Uh-oh. Akuma. How I did that? Pressing the X and A and the start at the same time. So, I'm Ken. See you to the next part. This is gonna be difficult.